BlueSpace Technology is a regional leader in electromagnetic shielding and tempest shielding. We have a very good relationship with customers in Turkey, but we also export our tempest technology up to Finland, Portugal, Spain. So we have been able to secure an important part of the European market with the tempest technology. But this is not everything that we do. We brought here, and we are very proud to show to the public, the first ever Romanian designed and Romanian produced light tactical armored vehicle. The name is Vlach. It will be a platform that would be able to fulfill a multitude of tasks and roles. We also have a assault boat that is a transfer of technology from Ukraine. We will produce this together with our Ukrainian partners, a very robust and solid solution for assault boats. This solution is already being used and tested in battle in Ukraine, and it will be produced in Romania together jointly by BlueSpace and the Ukrainian partner. We designed the product together with a Slovak company, with the Zetor, because we did not have at the moment the expertise of designing such a complex product. But we developed together with Zetor, and we share the IP ownership of this project. Therefore, this is a product that was developed by Romanians for the Romanian needs, for the Romanian specifications, and we hope that we will be able to market this for various government bodies in Romania to be tailored for their needs. We can do it in Romania at the same level. We have a very good relationship with the Turkish partners. We have teamed up with the Autocar, for instance, and we will announce today that we will join for developing together a UGV project. We are sure that we can learn from the Turkish experience and Turkish expertise, but also our Turkish partners would be able to learn from our perspective, because our core business model, our DNA, is to prove that we can produce here in Romania with the same quality and at the same technological level that other partners produce elsewhere. So we can localize production here in real terms, not only on paper. What we can see here, it's the boat that we will produce here in Romania together with our Ukrainian partners through a transfer of technology agreement and contract. You see on the tip of the boat that small gun is actually a portable jammer. This is how we started the jamming projects, and that is a mature product that is equipping currently more than 300 military units within the Romanian military. Very effective, a proven solution that can interact in a very effective way with commercial drones. The main difference between this one and assault inflatable boats is that this one is not filled with air, but with a sort of foam that will float naturally. So it is much more resilient against enemy fire. So it's a boat that can be produced in various configurations from 6.5 meters to 14 meters and can be equipped with various equipments and solutions depending on the customer needs. It can be a patrol boat, it can be an assault boat, different models. It's a multi-role assault boat that will be produced in Romania.